So you might be trying to figure out how you can go through and basically make a group chat on your iPhone. Now doing this is actually very basic. The first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go and make your way over into your Messages application. So go through and open up Messages just like this. And then you'll basically come over into this page. Now what we're going to want to do next is we're going to want to go through and basically click onto the bottom portion right over here. And you want to tap onto that little panel. Now within here, you want to start typing in the names of the people you want to start typing in this group chat. So you can just kind of start typing in the name. So in this case, I can just type in my own name right here. And then you can select the name. Then you can add in the next name. So go through, start typing in the next name after this. You'll see the next name, and you can start just continuing to add people into this group chat. After, you can go through and just start typing in people, the chat that you want to send or the text that you want to send. And then it usually will go through and just start sending out that text. So it's really that basic, and that's essentially how you use it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.